Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know? I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number. 812-595-4033. Y'all be blessed. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets, washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Go on inside and check this out. So when you walk inside, look to the left, open concept. It's like a studio, you know what I'm saying? You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And look how open it is. You got your beautiful knotty pine floors. And notice above me, there's a loft, okay? So you can set up the downstairs here as your living room area, right? And put a bed up top to go and sleep on, right? So you maximize the square footage, or you could have it set up where you got a bedroom down here and have a secondary bedroom upstairs if you got a couple of people that need to be, you know, have a spot to sleep. Look at the back of the door, isn't that cool? Got that rustic look. And you got your little kitchenette area over here where you put you a fridge, stove, put you a sink right here. There's your window, got your little cabinet, ready to roll. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior, 12 by 24, only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Now let me show you how this ladder works. It's gonna be complicated to do it with me holding the phone, but basically, you see how it's sitting on that little ledge? It comes down off of that ledge like this. I'm doing it with one arm here, see? I'm gonna straighten it up, but I had to do that with one arm because I'm holding the phone. And then, it just kinda, let's see here. There we go. And it just locks up like that. And just like that, you got access to go up to your sleeping loft up on the second floor. Okay? So put you a, that looks like it could easily fit. Let me go up there and see what kind of size bed we can fit up there. Oh yeah, we could probably easily put, probably a full-size bed fit up there. Put you a full-size bed, or a twin, or a couple of twins. So, pretty cool setup. So again, that's how you access that. And remember too, we could always bring that loft out more. So let's say you wanted this, instead of it stopping right here, you wanted the Amish to bring it out more this way. So maybe you want to get a king size mattress up there, we can do that as well. Remember, these are all made to order. So it ain't no thing but a chicken wing for us to make modifications to make it fit whatever you're trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind when you order yours. We can customize it to kind of fit your needs, okay? So again, remember too, you can also order this one where it's fully turnkey, where it'll come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. If you did that, you'd be more around the 55K range. If you ordered this one fully turnkey, move-in ready, with all the electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks already in it, you'd be around the 55K range on this one here. Okay. Super cool cabin again. This is an all wood cabin. You see the walls are actually 4x6s. Let me take you outside again and show you that real quick. So you see how we got the wall set up here. So the walls are actually, see, you got these 4x6 timber stacked all the way up, and then you got that gray matter in between. That's called the chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin. So it holds in your hot air when you're running your heat in the winter, and holds in your cold air when you're running your cooling and air conditioning in the summer. Okay, so that's how that works. All right guys, this is the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 cabin. This one does have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. I only got about 3 minutes to film this, so let's do this real quick. As you can see, beautiful 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch with the swing. Got the ghost swinging in it right now. Beautiful handcrafted screened in front door built by the Amish. You walk on in, and let me close the front door here. And here you got space for a couch, double pane windows. As you can see, we just got it staged a little bit. We're not done with it yet, but we got a little Amish log furniture here. The windows have these little ledges on them. Isn't that pretty cool? Put your curtains up, put some decorations up top. And then over here to the right, we're gonna put a stove there, Put the sink in. You see we're getting ready to install it. Microwave and refrigerator over there. That way you got a little kitchenette. So again, it's like an open concept deal. Look at them beams up there. Isn't that cool? Beautiful cabin. This one is $69,900 like this. Or if you want it fully turnkey, it's $120,000. We'll put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it. This slider right here opens up. And there you go. You got where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go over here. Then you open up this other slider and you got bedroom number 1 and then bedroom number 2 at the end. So again, this is a 2-bed, 1-bath, Amish built cabin. This is built rustic. So these are 4x6s. Let me show this to you here. This is 4x6s stacked on top of each other with the chinking in between. Okay, so again, there's your living area. And then you come out here. Let me show you the construction of it. You can see the porch is on a hinge system. So that folds down. These railings come out for transportation. That's how we ship them all over God's country here. And you can see the construction is 4x6 rough cut southern yellow pine stacked one on top of the other, making this a solid structure. You can pick any color shutters you want, and if you scoot back, you can see we got a 26 gauge 40-year metal roof on it. Beautiful structure. Again, we call this one El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This one again is $69,900 or fully loaded for $120,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033, 812-595-4033.